Hello, and welcome back. Today I will be demonstrating my project submission for Harvard's Web50 Project 1 Wiki. Let's get started. The index HTML page lists the names of all available entries in the encyclopedia. As well, they also act as links that a user can click on any entry name and be taken directly to that page. Its sidebar navigation menu houses options to search for entries, create a new entry, browse random entries, and a home link to return the user to that index page. The search bar allows users to search for a specific entry or any entries related to their search. So if someone searches for Ruby, they will be redirected to that entries page since there was only one result for Ruby. If less specific search terms were entered and it does not match the name of any encyclopedia entry, a results page will display a list of all entries that contain the text of the search terms. For example, if I search R, we see only entries that contain R, like C# and Ruby. Clicking on any of these results will redirect the user to that entries page. In addition to selecting the links of various entry pages, you can also visit the entry page by typing the title in the address bar. So, Wiki Django should take us immediately to the Django entry page. If the entry does not exist, the user will be redirected to an error page indicating that their requested page was not found, but also offer them a link to create a new entry page. By clicking Create New Page in the sidebar, the user will be redirected to a page where they can create a new encyclopedia entry. First, we need to add a title for our page. I will create one for Dapper as an example. And then in this text area, we can add some content about our encyclopedia entry. Here we can use the same format as Markdown. So here's a quick example for Dapper. I'm just going to copy and paste the link. Hit Submit, and we've saved our new encyclopedia entry. On Dapper's entry page, the Markdown content has been converted to HTML before being displayed to the user. We don't see any pound signs or asterisks, or even the specific links I typed out. HTML links have been formatted in its place. But what if an entry already exists with the same title? I'll create a duplicate entry for Ruby, and here we are redirected to an error page notifying the user an entry already exists with the provided title. The user will be provided with a link to edit the already existing entry or change the title of the entry they were trying to add. On each entry page, an edit option is provided where the user can edit the entry's Markdown content in the text area. The title cannot be changed on this page. So as an example, I want to make some changes to the HTML entry. I feel markup language should be changed to bold instead of italicized. So I will go to Edit, and then add additional asterisks around the words markup language. Hit Submit, and now I've saved my changes on the entry page. The random page link in the sidebar is just a fun tool that users can click and they will be taken to a random encyclopedia entry. This is useful if the user wants to browse entries in the encyclopedia without looking up a specific entry. This completes my demonstration for Harvard's Web50 Project 1 Wiki. Thank you for watching.